Memory means your brain holds onto the information it thinks will be useful in your life later. This process is tricky because your brain is constantly receiving a lot of information from the environment. Just think about how many reels you scroll through, how many videos you watch, how many conversations you have. Your brain has to decide every second which information is important and which to delete. Imagine if thousands of books were in front of you. If you tried to fill your brain with all of them at once, it would be impossible. This is why the brain works like a filter, keeping useful information and automatically deleting the rest, like spam or garbage. So it's crucial to understand how memory actually works and how to make it stronger. If you really want to improve your memory, watch this video till the end because the 5 actionable steps mentioned here will take your memory to the next level. Let's start point 1. Focus. Use focus at the right time. The first thing to understand is that focus is not a permanent state. It doesn't stay constant. It comes in waves. Sometimes you feel super active and information sticks easily. But sometimes after 10 minutes of studying, your mind feels empty. This means you need to learn to work during your most productive times. That's why you should have small study sessions of 20 to 25 minutes and work according to the Pomodoro technique or focus waves. When your mind starts to get tired naturally, don't force it. Take a 2 to 5 minute break. This significantly increases retention, consolidates memory, and allows you to remember more in less time. Personally, I used this strategy during my exams, small study periods with mini refresh breaks, and the results were excellent with less stress. 2. Testing or self-quiz. Instead of rereading or repeating what you just learned, test yourself. For example, instead of just remembering that Delhi is the capital of India, ask yourself, what is the capital of India? This helps your brain go into retrieval mode. The prefrontal cortex works hard to pull data from memory, and this retrieval process actually strengthens your memory. After you study a topic, ask yourself questions about it 1 to 2 hours later. Write down what you remember. I used to quiz myself every night on the topics I learned during the day for entrance exams. And my retention was incredibly strong. Point 3. Chunking. Break big things into small parts. If you try to memorize a whole chapter at once, your brain won't be able to store it. It will get overloaded. Break a chapter into smaller parts. First, memorize one part, then the next, then the third. Once you have all the parts memorized, revise them together. Slowly, your brain begins to understand them as a single unit. This is called chunking. Think of it like packing a suitcase. It's hard to lift individual clothes. But once they're all packed into a suitcase, it's much easier to carry. Memory works in the same way. 4. Use your senses. Use multiple senses to make your memory stronger. 2 of the most powerful senses for memory are sight visual memory and hearing auditory memory. For example, in this video, you're both watching and listening, so both senses are active. But you can activate a 3rd sense as well, touch. For example, if you type out a comment saying I improve my memory, your hand is also involved. Multisensory learning makes memory much stronger. So when you learn something new, always try to visualize it. Imagine a picture, say it aloud with rhythm or beat, and write notes. This helps retain information for a longer time. 5. Rest and recovery. Recharge your brain. Breaks are not a waste of time, they are part of the learning process because attention cannot stay high continuously. After 20 to 30 minutes of studying, take a 2 to 5 minute break. But the most important thing is sleep because memory actually gets stored during sleep. Whatever you learn during the day, your brain organizes and stores it while you sleep. And it's not just sleep, and movement or exercise is also crucial. Exercise helps your body produce a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which strengthens memory in your brain. Information is like bricks, but if there is no cement BDNF, the bricks will fall apart. So make sure to do some physical activity every day, like walking, skipping, cycling, push-ups, or anything you enjoy. I hope this video has been genuinely helpful, especially for students preparing for exams.